Okay, thank you and congratulations for all of you now is to be one of the student in UNES, Universitas Negeri Semarang. Today I will explain about the student organization in Universitas Negeri Semarang. UNES have so many achievements in 2022. There are Pekan Ilmiah Mahasiswa Nasional, or we usually say PIMNAS. What is a PIMNAS? PIMNAS is in the higher level of competition in the science for university student in Indonesia. In 2022, Universitas Negeri Semarang to be one of the top 10 PIMNAS winner in 2022, especially in the level 7. The second is Pekan Seni Mahasiswa Nasional, or Peksiminas. Peksiminas is the higher level of competition in the art field for students in Indonesia. UNES in 2022 got the 6th medal from the all category and to be second winner of the generally winner in Indonesia. In entrepreneurial achievement, we have the Batik team from Universitas Negeri Semarang, won as a first winner student in the business competition in Indonesia 2022. And also, we have a contest mobil hemat energy, or usually we say KMHE. KMHE is the higher level of competition in design and create a car for minimization of energy consumption for students in Indonesia. And this event held by Puspresnas, Pusat Prestasi Nasional, Kemdikbudristek, or Ministry of Education and Culture, Research and Technology Republic of Indonesia. UNES have a CRC machine team, or mechanical engineering machine team, as third winner of KMHE in 2022 in the internal combustion class. And now in 2021, KMHE Pandawa team passed the first verification of KMHE 2021 in the ethanol gasoline class. In the contest Kapal Cepat Abrawa Nasional, KKCTBN, KCTBN is the higher level of competition in Indonesia in design and shipbuilding or port for students in Indonesia, and this event held by Puspresnas Nasional, Kemdikbudristek, Ministry of Education and Culture, Research and Technology Republic of Indonesia. We have a Senopati CRC team from mechanical engineering. Now they passed in the top 10 team from 59 team nominee from all universities in Indonesia who follow KKCTBN 2021. International competition, so many achievement from student from UNES get the medal in international competition. Like Nadia Putri Oktaviani, she won third medal, 3 medal in the Sopravita International Festival. She got the gold medals for pop jazz competition, gold medals for folk vocal, and the last is best score for 70 until 90 years old contestant. She is very beautiful and talented. In international competition, another is Sail Eco Marathon, or SEM, is the international competition in the car ship and in the car building. Now in the UNES from Indonesia, especially Pandawa team follow this event in Malaysia, especially in the Sepang International Circuit. And also Champ Car Team Smartron won 2 categories in international Champ Car competition. Why? The reason for the student to follow the competition. Why UNES student must have added value? Because we easy to get success if we have so many aspects in our life. We have to have ability in hard skill. Ability correlated with knowledge, science, etc. And soft skill. ability to make communication with another people, how to manage your time, how to be leader, your leadership in your life. And you must have attitude. Attitude is how to appreciate to other people, how to manage your emotion. If you have this component, you will easy to be success. In student organization, we divided 3 classes based on the managerial, science, interest, and talent. If you interest in the managerial, so you can to be a member of BEM or Perhimpunan Eksekutif Mahasiswa, LK, Lembaga Kemahasiswaan, or PSO, Badan Semi Otonom. And also if you interest in the science, you can follow the science in the competition. And if you interest in talent, you can active in the student organization and follow the competition appropriate with your interest and talent. Student organization based on managerial institution, you will have contribution to be member and have managerial skill in the student organization, such as Badan Eksekutif Mahasiswa or Student Executive Organization, DPM or Students House Representative, Dewan Perwakilan Mahasiswa, and Himpunan Mahasiswa Jurusan, you usually say Department Student Organization, and Badan Semi Otonom. This is, you will have ability if you follow this organization. What is added value if you follow this organization? You will get the experience and benefit value like managerial, how to manage a committee, manage your time between academic and organization negotiation, and also you will have a ability to be a leadership, sensitivity, and concern. This is the documentation. This is the rector, Professor Fatur. They take picture together with the component of the BEM, etc. Student organization based on scientific. If you follow in this student organization, you will get so many advantages. There are scientific publication. You can write scientific matter in and publish in the social media, journal, electronic newspaper, and etc. You can recognition work. You can produce work that get copyright, simple patent, or other form of recognition. And also you will have competence in certain fields that are recognized nationally and or internationally. In the science competition, you can follow the competition based on the science such as scientific idea, scientific poster, etc. And in the scientific presentation, you can to be one of the presenter in the national and international conference. You will to be a speaker in the scientific forum. This is the added value if you follow in the student organization. This is the documentation of the student organization based on scientific. This is the medal in the PIMNAS. Student of UNES many times got the medals in a PIMNAS, and this is the Pandawa team. They will follow international competition in the SEM Elko Marathon in Malaysia, and this is the soul of the car in Pandawa team, sold to Minister of Education Republic of Indonesia, also with Bapak Rektor Profesor Fatur Rahman. If you follow a student organization based on the interest and talent, so you will have so many advantages. There are, if you follow in the field of spiritual and welfare, you will get the accommodating student. The student will accommodating student who want to be study deeply their spiritual or religion. And the second, you will provide opportunity for student to improve skill related to entrepreneurship. If you follow field of interest and favorite, you can practice student to improve their ability in specific field according to their interest with special characteristic. In ideology and reasoning, this is a field that closely related to the process of actualization and guardian of the national ideology, as well as effort to increase student reasoning abilities. Indonesia have ideology, the name is Pancasila, so we will appreciate, we will use this in our life every day. Art field is accommodating students to develop their abilities and work in the art. And in the field of the community service, accommodating student who wants to contribute the social and accordance with the specific goal of their organization. Interest and talent competition. Can participate in competition that are academically and or not academically related to the student interests. In the field of interest in the technology, accommodating students to improve their ability as well as in the specific technology application. And the last is sport field. You can accommodating students to develop their ability in sport, of course. This is the table of the student want to follow organization based on interest and talent. For example, in the arts, you can follow, join in the tari classical dance, and tari kreasi or creative dance, etc. And in the sport, you can follow the pencak silat. Pencak silat is the traditional martial arts or self-defense sport from Indonesia originally. Now to be one of the SEA Games competition. And in the competition, you can follow Denok Kenang Semarang. This is the competition special from Semarang, Denok Kenang Semarang. And second is competition entrepreneurship, and also another competition like KMHI KCTPN. This is the documentation of the student organization based on interest and talent. This is the religion, Islamic Muslim with Professor Fatur, take picture together in the Pondok Pesantren. And this is the traditional singer in Wayang Kulit. Wayang Kulit is the traditional puppet from Java, Indonesia. And this is the singer, he usually say sinden, so singing about the traditional singer from Javanese. And this is the pencak silat. Pencak silat was marital arts or self-defense from Indonesia, especially from Java. And this is wall climber, etc. This is many student international from another country join in the pencak silat, and also they have many ability, many activity, and they follow in the mangrove plantation. And if they boring, they can go to somewhere to know about Indonesia, about Semarang. They can follow field trip in the many temple in Semarang, traditional temple. And this is the Kartini Day dari mahasiswa. Indonesia have a special day. The name is Kartini Day. They can use traditional clothes from another Indonesia area. This is kebaya, and for the female, and for the male, they can use the beskap. Yeah? You use hat, or you say belangkon, etc. Okay, I think this is enough for me to introduce student organization in UNES, Universitas Negeri Semarang. Come and join with me, with us, to be one team of UNES, Universitas Negeri Semarang. Matur nuwun, terima kasih, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.